Alright guys, this is day number 4 of the hockey season.
Wild Wednesday.
It's Wild Wednesday.
Two uploads on Wednesday.
Yes, we forgot to mention that. Let's get this going.
Alright, ready?
Hockey 1, hockey 2, go. Forgot to mention, I'm going to be the Florida Panthers. He's the Tampa Bay Lightning. It's the Battle of Florida. Let's get it. Oh, 2 saves right off the bat. So every Wednesday we'll get 2 uploads.
No.
No?
Yeah, that one in.
I think
that one
the puck has to cross the entire line.
Yeah, but Patrick, come on. That would have rolled in if that wasn't there, though. So that's a goal.
So we just have to do if it goes on the line?
Yeah.
Alright, fine. Alright,
No. Here. Yeah.
Alright, so
If the line is something. Alright, ready, go. Let's go.
I'm just gonna say
Wait,
hold up, this doesn't count. Yeah, probably. Yeah, you're right.
Alright,
1-0 Lightning. Oh my gosh. This is risky. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. No, you had it open. No, I actually didn't. Your body was covering it. I'm looking for that top right corner. He knows I'm going for that top right. So I got one! Oh my god! What a save!
What a save!
Alright, we're tagging. Can we tag?
No.
No? How about you can't go past these your own carpet? Let's go! 1-1. Your knees can't go past this carpet. This side of the carpet. That's legal. Unless.
You can't be that far up, okay? That makes it very hard to play.
No, you just hit around him. Think about that. Oh, get it! Oh my goodness! It went off the post. You think how much more goals there would be if the post were,
The post did not exist.
if the post was just like an inch higher or an inch wider? Think how many goals there would be. Dude, I love how I had an open shot, yet I just hit it up there.
I was good.
Oh no. I fell. I did.
Keeps going.
Actually, no. We'll try to keep. The Kraken is in the lead because there's gonna be 8 for every team, every division. Instead of having a 7. Oh, hi. Oh, dude. Drill again. Oh no. Oh yes. What a save! I'm gonna go this box.
Where'd it go?
Out. 2.
How many saves do I have already?
That's a lot.
I mean, it's 1-1. Yeah, this is gonna be a game, folks.
It's the rival. I mean, hey, just like in regular NHL.
Yeah.
These 2 at the top of leads. Let's go get. Here comes Drew. Wait, no. There's no Drew on the Florida Panthers.
Here's the ball.
I don't know what happened is. Who's the captain?
I don't know.
Oh my gosh! It's a loose puck. Messes up. Goes the other way. Misses. Oh my gosh. I don't know why it's so dark in here. That light's not on. Oh my gosh. This is
You gave me time to shuffle.
It's the little things.
Go!
2-1 Lightning.
Hold on.
It's gonna continue to do that. Alright, 2-1.
Let's go.
Another one! Play that. Gosh. Feet. Man, I hate when my feet hits my feet. He gets us around. to my hand. All right, ready? Coming back. Florida's coming back.
Begin it.
What? You think those are out? I know it doesn't count. Here, I know that. It's no kidding, Dylan. I know it doesn't count. Alright. Ready? Let's go. Oh, yeah. That nearly just won it. And it was near. Yeah, it did be. You still have to score 2 more. I have to score 4 more. Oh! Save. I'm telling you, we are playing great hockey. I mean, hey, he had 2 shots over me that I didn't get to. There's a loose puck to win in that. It's the little things. It's the little things. For example, that was an aggressive move right there. By me? No, me. And you. It's a. Oh no. Oh no! Dude, I'm telling you, I'm built to. Yeah. You know you're the video. Oh my gosh. 4-1. Wow. Tampa Bay. The fake. It's not over yet. Ready? Here we go. Comeback begins. 1, 4, 2. I thought it went in. Did it not go in? I don't know.
Is there a hole in the net? I don't think there is. There's no hole in the net, so that can't go in.
I know. Unless I put one through and then it repatched itself somehow that quickly.
Wild Wednesday. 4-1 Tampa Bay. Who would imagine that?
I just pulled a nasty move.
There.
Actually,
Alex
won an opening
back.
night, and since then he's won every game.
Alright, ready?
I'm gonna end it right here. What'd you say? I guess I didn't. That's. Ow!
Man, you just sat me down.
I just told you to sit down and go read the Bible.
Crowd silencer right here.
What'd you?
One in the.
4-3. Let's go! I'm safe. Here we go, another one. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I lost it.
Oh, come on!
Dude, it was all up here.
We're coming back! We are coming back!
Maybe not.
I got ball, I got ball.
No. That is lucky ball. This is my lucky puck. Gotta guard that. Here we go. 4-3.
Get it! No!
No. Uh-oh. Crowd going silent. Is the crowd going silent? Nope. Jump. Fudge cookies.
Fudge cookies
Are amazing. You should consider buying them. We're not sponsored, but they're just great.
Yeah, fudge cookies. What's the brand though?
Isn't it like that dude? I got puck.
Isn't it that dude?
Very specific right there. Nice shot. Oh no. Oh, I'm up. Bill, it's no mine. Here he comes. Giroux. Oh, no. 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 Oh, my gosh. Was there something there? Dude, if I had a comeback, this would be insane. It's the little things.
You're just breaking down.
It's the little things in life. There's a puck there. Right. It's on the side. Ah, yes. I don't have my lucky puck. How are we gonna do this if I don't have the lucky puck? Come on. What? Is that whose puck that I use? It was on your side, I guess. On your puck. Second! No! I'm kidding. Kidding, Dylan. Alright. Let's go. Oh my goodness! Here he comes, Drew! Dino! I can't see it. You can't see these. Oh yes! It's saved! The little things in life sometimes that just make you want to chuck your hockey stick into the garbage can and wonder why you're playing the hockey.